In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add +91 to numbers in Google Sheets using a custom number format. If you manage phone numbers in a Google Sheet and want them to display with the +91 country code automatically, you don't need a formula or a separate column. A simple custom number format will do the job and keep your data clean. This approach changes how numbers look on the screen without changing the underlying values, which is ideal if you want to sort, filter, or use the numbers in calculations later. Start by selecting the cells you want to format. You can click and drag over a range, click a column letter to select the entire column, or hold Shift to select multiple areas at once. It's often easiest to format a full column where phone numbers will be entered, so everything stays consistent. Next, go to the top menu and choose Format, then Number, and then Custom Number Format. This panel controls how Google Sheets displays numbers. Think of it as a visual rule set. It tells Sheets how to show numbers on screen while keeping the raw data intact in the background. In the text box that appears, type +910 and click Apply. Enter it exactly as you see it. A plus sign, 91, and then a 0. That 0 is a placeholder that represents the digits you'll type in the cell. By applying this format, Sheets will show +91 in front of any number you enter in those cells. So if you type 98765432210, it will display as +9198765432210 automatically. From here on, any number you type into those formatted cells will display with the +91 prefix. This works best when your cells contain plain numbers, not text. If you paste data that already includes a plus sign or spaces, Sheets might treat it as text and the format won't apply. In that case, clear extra characters so you're left with digits only before pasting. Also note, because this is just a display format, the underlying value remains numeric and does not actually include the plus sign or the 91 prefix. That's perfect for sorting and validation. If the result looks cut off, widen the column so the full phone number is visible. And if you ever want to go back, open the same custom number format window and switch the format back to automatic or choose a different pattern. That's it. With a quick custom format, you can keep your sheet tidy and ensure every phone number displays consistently with +91 dollars.